everyone, it's Mrs. Walsh. Today I'm going to show you how to reheat food in the microwave. My husband brought home dinner from a Mexican restaurant. I'm going to reheat one of the enchiladas in the microwave. So I'm going to follow my steps that I have here on my paper. Step one is to put the food in the microwave. This is the microwave. I'm going to open it up. Put the plate of food in, close the door. Close the door with step two. Next, I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute. Here's the clock. I'm going to set 1:00, that's 1 minute, and I'm going to push the start button. You can hear it heating up. It makes like there's like a fan going on in there. It's counting down. Almost done. When it's done, it's going to beep to let me know our minute is over with. It says end, meaning that it's over with. Ooh, look at the steam coming off of that. That looks nice and hot. Number 4 is check food to see if warm. I can tell it's warm. I can feel the plate is warm. I can take a fork. I can see the steam coming off of it. It's warm. If it was not warm, if it was still cold, I would follow step 5 and put it back in the microwave for 1 more minute again. But since it is nice and warm and ready to eat, I'm going to go ahead and eat this now. That's how you use the microwave.